This is from Grandma and Grandpa.
Look what it says on the back.
That's my old bike.
What do you tell Grandma and Grandpa?
Thank you, Grandma, Grandpa.
Can you turn around so I can see it?
It's Grandma's already.
We'll get Missouri one when we move here.
Is this so she doesn't fall backwards?
Yep.
No, it's to put her.
Baby in.
All on.
I don't want that.
That's the seat for it.
Hannah.
I also want that.
You can't sit on that one. That's for your babies to ride on.
Oh, Hannah.
What
Look
do you
at-
tell Grandma and Grandpa?
Thank you.
They're over there.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Grandma and Grandpa got you this awesome bike. Look.
Look at me, Wayne.
Make her ring the
Press my
bell.
heart button to make a new color
you-
routine.
You have to kind of spin that big thing.
Hold my handle
This?
and hit the top.
What do you think, Hannah?
It's tricycle. It's perfect.
It's perfect.
Now push me.
It's a
Tricycle.
tricycle. It's
Oh, it's a
perfect.
tricycle.
No, we had to go and kiss her for that.
In the kitchen?
Where is it?
We had to go and kiss her for that.
I don't know if it will.